If your Indesit dishwasher is not working properly, a reset can help clear temporary errors and restore normal operation. This is often needed when the machine freezes, shows error lights, or stops mid-cycle. Common signs include the dishwasher not starting, buttons not responding, or the machine getting stuck during a wash cycle. You may also notice unusual beeping or flashing lights on a control panel. To reset your Indesit dishwasher, press and hold the start or reset button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the machine begins to drain or the lights turn off. This will cancel the current cycle and reset the system. If the basic reset doesn't work, try a power reset. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power source or switch it off at the breaker. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, then restore power and restart the machine. After resetting, run a short wash cycle to make sure the dishwasher is working properly. Check that there are no error lights and that the machine completes the cycle normally.